Hi, my name is Kian and we're about to enter the Hardware Lab 1. So we'll go to the right side of the room first. So this is where all the equipments are. So currently you can see we have the oscilloscope, the multimeter, the waveform generator, and the power supply. So this is what we normally use for our labs in the circuit system analysis. It was actually one of my favorite modules. On the left side, which is the other room, this one doesn't have any equipment. It's just like a normal computer kind.